To adjust vehicle placard values, you must use the OBD Quick Connect cable included in the kit. From the main menu, go to Service. Then select the vehicle's make, model, and year. For this example, we will be using a Chevrolet Trax 2017. Then select Placard. Ensure to read the disclaimer about proper inflation values. Now we must connect the OBD cable to the tool, then to the vehicle's ECU. First, ensure that the ignition is in the on position with the engine off. Then, connect the OBD2 cable to the tool. Then, connect the OBD2 cable to the vehicle's ECU. Once the cable is connected, press OK. The tool will then display the placard values stored in the vehicle. To change a placard value, select the axle you wish to change, then press OK. Using the arrow keys, either go up or down, then press OK. Once you are ready to write these values to the ECU, press the trigger button, then OK to confirm the transfer. The values have been successfully written to the ECU.